Celebrate February by Carrie Noel. This is your guidebook to celebrating February's well-known and wacky holidays. Days include Super Bowl Sunday and National Pokemon Day. Happy February! Are you a weather watcher, Pokemon player, whale expert, dog walker, football fan, rocker, library regular, or bubblegum blower? Then February has something for you to celebrate. Actually, the second month of the year has holidays for everyone. Some of February's special holidays are well known and widely celebrated. Think Valentine's Day. Others, like International Tug of War Day, are a little bizarre and missing from traditional calendars. But both the popular and wacky occasions keep February days from feeling ordinary. February days for everyone. The second is Groundhog Day. Have you ever heard of Pennsylvania's Puxatawny Phil? He is a popular weather forecaster there, even though he's a groundhog without a degree. Every year on February 2nd, he looks for his shadow. If he doesn't see it, he predicts an early spring. Check for Puxatawny Phil's weather report when you wake up. Major news channels often make it a point to feature it on air. It is a special once-a-year forecast. Valentine's Day, February 14th. Express love for your family and friends. Use your own words or let candy conversation hearts do the talking. February 17th, Random Acts of Kindness Day. Do something to put others first. While walking into school, you could open the door for a classmate. President's Day. Do you know who watches you every time you spend $1? That's George Washington, the first president of the United States. February days for kids. February 27th, National Pokemon Day. In the Pokemon universe, humans have a job to do. Catch and train pocket monsters. First, they must throw Pokeballs to capture these creatures in the wild. Then, they must get these creatures ready for battle. Enter the Pokemon universe to encounter pocket monsters for yourself. Watch Pokemon anime and films for creature sightings. Or play a Pokemon video game or card game to become a Pokemon trainer. February 8th, National Kite Flying Day. Do you understand flight terms like lift, thrust, and drag? Fly a kite to learn about the lingo firsthand. National Make a Friend Day, February 11th. A friendship can begin with just a hello. Say hi to a classmate you don't normally talk to at school. February 19th, International Tug of War Day. Tug of wars was once a way Vikings showed their strength. Set up a rope pulling challenge to put your muscles to the test. February days for animal lovers. February 27th is International Polar Bear Day. The hot topic related to polar bears is melting sea ice. The Arctic bears need the floating ice to survive. They use the frozen sheets as rest stops when swimming and as platforms for seal hunting. Fill a glass with lots of ice and add Coca-Cola. Polar bears happen to be the mascots of the soda brand. Then, Before you drink up, make a toast and raise your glass to wish polar bears well. National Hippo Day, February 15th. Did you know that hippos use mud like a special skin cream? Try a mud mask to feel like a hippo. The third Sunday in February is World Whale Day. Have you ever heard a whale sing? If not, listen to audio clips of humpback whales performing original songs. February 22nd, Steve Irwin's birthday. Watch Steve Irwin in old episodes of The Crocodile Hunter. Crikey will become your new favorite word. February days for pet people. February 22nd is also National Walking the Dog Day. Dogs will sit and stay if they are asked, but what dogs really want to do is go on walks. On a walk, they can follow scents. They can also run into squirrels and rabbits. So put your dog on a leash and get outside. Walk around the block, on a park path, or to a dog park. You could even take a stroll to a pet-friendly restaurant or store. February is also Adopt a Rescued Rabbit Month. Have you seen a pet rabbit do a binky? Love a lonely bunny and the animal just might jump for joy. February 3rd is International Golden Retriever Day. Golden Retrievers are among the top athletes of the dog world. Watch Air Bud to see a golden with b-ball skills. February 20th is National Love Your Pet Day. Pets give their humans the gift of companionship. So spoil your pet too with much attention and affection. February days for sports fanatics. The first Sunday in February is always Super Bowl Sunday. Guess about how many people tune in for the Super Bowl every year. Is the number in your head at all close to 100 million? If it is, good guess. The championship football game is regularly the most watched American broadcast of the year. Turn the big game on your screen. Cheer for touchdowns and field goals. Laugh at funny commercials and enjoy the halftime show. You are in good company. February 17th is Michael Jordan's birthday. What happens when the GOAT of basketball plays with cartoon characters? Watch Space Jam to see MJ team up with Bugs Bunny. February 22nd is also Be Humble Day. Bragging rights come with winning, but true champions celebrate without boasting. Say good game to an opponent or opposing fan. February 23rd is Play Tennis Day. Could you be the next Serena Williams or Rafael Nadal? Grab a racket and some neon balls to test your tennis talent. February days for music fans. February 11th is National Guitar Day. All guitars belong to the string family, yet every type of guitar has its own unique look and sound. The electric guitar is louder than the acoustic guitar, and the bass guitar plays the lowest notes. Stop by music stores to see all kinds of guitars on display. Ask to hear how chords sound on different guitars. Figure out which one you want to play in a band. February 2nd is World Ukulele Day. Strum or pluck a ukulele to create tropical sounds. Hawaiians love making music on this tiny guitar. February 6th is Bob Marley's birthday. Hey man, do you like Jamaican jams? Listen to some Bob Marley beats to see what you think of reggae music. February 13th is World Radio Day. Let the radio provide some background music. Turn on a kid station like Radio Disney for catchy tunes. February days for bookworms. Did you know that February 14th is also Library Lovers Day? Public libraries are getting less and less love these days. More and more books are sitting on shelves just collecting dust. It's not that people have stopped reading. It's that personal screens have made it so easy to stay home and read online. Visit a brick and mortar library to appreciate physical books. Browse the children's section for titles that catch your eye. Then check them out and start turning pages. Black History Month. Do you know the story of Harriet Tubman or Jackie Robinson? Get your nose in nonfiction books about African American heroes all month of February. The first week of February is Children's Authors and Illustrators Week. Send a letter to the author or illustrator of your favorite book. Everybody loves fan mail. And February 26th is Tell a Fairy Tale Day. A fairy tale is more than just a happy ending. Read one from the very beginning to tell the whole story. February days for foodies. February 9th is National Pizza Day. Have you ever heard of Tony Geminani? He is a world champion pizza maker. Thanks to his dough throwing skills, he has won award after award for pizza acrobatics. See if you have what it takes to be a pizza alio. This is a fancy name for a pizza maker. Toss some dough, cover that with sauce, cheese, and extra toppings, then bake it, cut it into slices, and serve. February is National Snack Food Month. When it's snack time, do you crave something sweet, salty, sour, or spicy? Let your favorite flavor inspire a new snack creation. National Bubblegum Day. Blow the biggest bubblegum bubble you can to beat the world record. Blow one more than double the size of a basketball on National Bubblegum Day, which is the first Friday in February. And National Frozen Yogurt Day, February 6th. Froyo, Frogurt, frozen yogurt. These are just different names for the same frozen dessert. Enjoy the smooth treat with tons of toppings.